You're about to watch the Polly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
Yes, you are looking at the Wilprep Pizza Oven and a pizza that I made. Yeah, so you may hear a lawnmower in the background. Both neighbors are cutting the grass right now. It's in stereo, more importantly. This pizza. The dough, I made it an hour and 45 minutes ago. Is this pizza going to be any good? I will tell you. The difference so far, when I stretch this dough, it is not as pliable as a dough that took 1 to 3 or 4 days to proof and make. So what do we got on this pizza? Yeah, it's kind of a plain Jane thing. We do have the Myers organic sauce. We have some mozzarellas. We have some provolone. We got some shaker parmesan, and have some Italian seasoning, and we got some of this garlic, herb, and black pepper sea salt on top, as well as some red pepper chili flakes. So let's get this thing in the oven. Once again, I did put this on parchment paper. I built this pizza about 15 minutes ago. If I didn't have this paper under it, it would be sticking on the counter. I would never get it off. So that is the beauty of using parchment paper. And you may notice I do have a cooling rack now. Little lady didn't like my 3 cans of bean cooling rack. But yeah, so I broke down and got me a cooling rack. Let's check the temperature of this Wilprep oven. 620, okay, I like that. I wanted to screaming hot because I just wanted to try something a little different. Holding the camera, and we're gonna drop this in there. Ooh, a little far, huh? Okay, we got it in there. And I will use a timer actually for reference. Now she cooks. I will spin it one time. Ooh, we got a little smoke coming from the paper there. I hope that's nothing. But I will keep an eye on it. I will not leave this pizza. We see smoke, so I think I'm going to slip that paper out of there, if I can do it with my hand. Might need the help of a peel. But I'll use the grabber for the Detroit style pizza oven. Not a valuable heat out though. Ooh. What technique! Oh wow! Yeah, nice. 600 some degrees. You're gonna get some browning, a little bit of smoky. So I think we're gonna give it a little spin right now. It's hard to do this when you're recording, but guess what? Doing it for you all. The very best subscribers on YouTube. I think that's pretty good right there. She hot. She done. Pretty sure. Get a little heat on the top there.
You're watching the Polly Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No mess in there. Everything's looking pretty good. Turn this thing off. Unplug it. And now we got some pizza. And I forgot to mention, I did put some of that creamy garlic dipping sauce on the edge crust. This is going to be good. Let's look underneath. Oh yeah, Looking good. Now it's time to try it. So this is your pizza of the week. And this is a good one. Hour and 45 minutes to make this dough. Look at that. Come on. This crust is so airy and light. Amazing. Now all we gotta do is take a bite. Here we go. Beautiful. It's a piece of art. Perfectamundo. Excellento. One hour, 45 minute dough. Perfect. I didn't even use 00 flour. I used a tablespoon of yeast. Actually, it was ready before I was really ready to make it. Yeah, beautiful. I better hurry up and eat this one because little lady's got like 2 pieces on her plate already. And she might want some more. Outstanding. I thank you all for watching. This was your pizza of the week.